Hi, Eli. The fans want to see you. Say hi to everybody. Where are you going? There's Abby. Hi, Abby. Where are you going? You're crawling towards Mommy. Look how fast you crawl. Oh, back to the worm. There you go. Can you sit up and say hi? Sit up and say hi. Hi, Eli. Oh, that's a nice sit, almost. Hi. Hi, buddy. Is this a funny game? Okay, say bye. Eli, say bye to everybody. Bye. Eli, say bye.